Namaste everyone, and you all are welcome. Today we will be talking something different, something other than medical or health. Actually, it's a big day for me because I have the biggest iPhone with me right now. It's iPhone 12 Pro Max. This phone is 5G, it has the biggest display, biggest battery, A14 Bionic chip which makes it one of the fastest phone in today's time. Also it has ceramic shield which makes it even 4-fold stronger now. It has the best camera ever with Dolby Vision video recording. So friends, I am going to unbox this phone today and share my first impression on it. Also I'll be sharing photos and videos with you. Although this phone has many distinctive and classic features like any other iPhone before, but there are many add-on features which makes it even more advanced. So let's discover it, unbox it. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. So let's unbox this phone. For all my life I had been an Android user. This is the first time I am going to use any iPhone. You can see the blue color on the wallpaper, which means the phone inside is blue. I chose specific blue color here. And here we open the box. It's amazing and wow. Before we discover the phone, let's see what else is here inside the box. There is a USB-C to Lightning cable, SIM card ejector tool and one Apple sticker I see. And here I unwrap the phone and I see such a big screen here, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. It also has ceramic shield which was never in any other iPhone before. It has 4 times better draw performance. It's big but I think it's comfortable to hold in hand. I like this complete flat look, like all the sides are completely flat. You can stand it anywhere. It is so stable. It also has surgical grade metallic body, but it is prone to fingerprints. I am not much bothered because anyways I am going to use cover on it. The power and volume buttons are just same. There are no changes in it. And here I unbox the adapter. You have to buy it separate because it doesn't come with the box, but price is cheap here. I think they have compensated for it. This phone also has MagSafe, which is compatible with all MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers. Talking of capacity, it comes in 3 like 128, 256 and 512 GB. Well, that was all inside the box and little extra. Let's take a quick look at the ultimate features of iPhone 12 Pro Max. The best part of this phone, it has ultra wide and telephoto lens. Camera has sensor shift optical image stabilization which gives the photos amazing quality. 2.5 times optical zoom in, 2 times optical zoom out, 5 times optical zoom range and digital zoom up to 12 times. Video recording with 2.5 times optical zoom in, 2 times optical zoom out and digital zoom up to 7 times. This LiDAR technology makes night mode portraits possible and the wide camera lets it 27% more light for more greater details and sharper focus either day or night. Just like rear camera, front camera is also 12 megapixel. It has amazing portrait mode, HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 30 FPS. Cinematic video stabilization is also here in this phone. So I have talked a lot about this phone. It's time to test the phone now, time to test the camera. Let's take a look at photos and videos. This is rear camera video recording. The quality is really good. And this is rear camera recording with sound sample. So guys, this is night view front camera recording with the audio sample. I'll show how it looks in bright light. So that's the difference. So friends, that was my first impression and experience of any iPhone ever. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Press the bell icon for the latest video update. Thank you for watching and stay fit.